Hey everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Eat, Live and Love. So in this video, I will be talking about a few things which I have purchased from Amazon. I have always talked about Amazon previously in my to buy or not to buy video or monthly favorites video, and you guys already know how much I love to buy things from Amazon because they have a variety of products to choose from, and as well as they have amazing quality. Products are also reasonable and cheap, and I thought that since I buy a lot of stuffs from there, I thought that I should show them to you. Maybe you will find it helpful. None of this is sponsored, so without any further ado, let's get into the video. The first thing that I want to talk about is a hair straightener that I bought from Amazon. This Philips hair straightener which I use sometimes. I prefer not to use too much of it on my hair because that's not very good for your hair. So especially when I go out, maybe for a party or a wedding, I use this one and I'm so satisfied with this product. I feel that this is one of the best out there in the market, which is reasonable as well as it actually works pretty well. So I will mention the item or the number related to this product in the description box, so you don't need to worry about that. It was for around 2,500 rupees and I absolutely love this. The second product is this beautiful keyboard cover, multicolored keyboard cover. I was looking for it in Amazon and I found it and absolutely fell in love with this because there are so many colors here and keyboard looks so pretty. It's from a brand called Justek and the price is around 138 to 140 rupees. It's reasonable and it looks very good on your keyboard, laptop keyboard. So yeah. The next product is from a brand called In Color Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream. Now I bought this recently and I am so loving it. I'm wearing the shade right now. The shade is 429. The thing is that I specifically love matte liquid lipsticks, but the problem with it is that it becomes so dry on your lips and it makes you feel very uncomfortable. So that's why I prefer not to use liquid lipsticks all the time, but this is a very smooth lip cream which acts like a lipstick, kind of a liquid lipstick, but the color is too pretty, as you can see, and it stays for a very long time. The brand is In Color Cosmetics, so you can have a look at it. There are so many shades to choose from and you will absolutely love it. Coming to the next products are behind me. This acts as a very beautiful background for me. So those are the stickers which I bought from Amazon, and they are there for a long time actually. These are not recent buys. These are room stickers which you can just stick. They have the glues in the back which you can just put them on your room wall and it will be there for a really long time, and it makes the room so much more prettier and you will absolutely love the new look of your room. So I absolutely love these stickers and I'm planning to buy more because there are so many stickers available on Amazon. So these are the ones. The next one is, again you can see, these are the fairy lights that I bought from Amazon. So there are so many colors to choose from. I wanted something like this one. These are the ones, the multicolored ones. It looks very nice because especially I have white background, so it looks very prominent and bright. I love these ones. Okay, the last two products are my favorite. One is these nails. These are press-on nails which I bought from Amazon. This is from a brand called Vixen. There are so many beautiful nails that you can get. In this particular nail set, there are 24 nails which you can just stick on your nails and it will look so pretty. I've already used a set now, so that's why there are only 12. So this is how it comes. I prefer that you use a glue which I'm recommending, which is this one. It's Miss Claire nail glue. This is a very good nail glue which actually makes the nails stick on your nails for a really long time. So I highly recommend this one. If you're using press-on nails, then you should use this one. This is how the nails look like. You just have to stick them on your nails and you're good to go. You can use this, especially when you're in a hurry or when you are going somewhere celebrating your anniversary, your birthday, or you're going for a wedding and you don't have time to go to the parlor and do extensions. The story here is that I was never very fond of these stick-on nails because I always was a girl who would go to the salons and do extensions, nail extensions. Since I had a habit of biting nails from a very childhood, I never could grow my nails, and I always had a fascination with people who had long nails. So when I grew up, I came to know about these extensions and I used to go to the salons and do my nails. But from the very last year, we couldn't go out, especially not for something like this. I didn't want to risk myself and my family by going to the salon for doing extensions, so I had to choose an alternative. So I came across this brand called Vixen on Amazon. These are for around rupees 400 and you get a set of 24 nails, and it pretty much stays for at least 2 weeks or 3 weeks. So the price is much lesser than doing extensions, because for extensions it takes a lot more. So these are a good alternative or substitute for the extensions, and especially because in recent times we can't go out. I love these ones. This brand is especially very good. If you don't like these colorful ones, then you can also go for this Miss Claire normal nails, which are also stick-on nails, which you can stick and then you can paint them. For this you have to shape your nails and stuff like that, but for this it's already shaped and you just have to stick them on your nails. So yeah, if you're a nail lover like me, then you will absolutely love these. So yeah, these are the few products that I bought from Amazon and I'm highly satisfied, and I highly recommend to all of you. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to comment below. That would make my day. And yeah, see you in my next video. Stay tuned in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed and stay positive.